Alright traders, so I got a bit of time. Sometimes I don't post on Sunday, but I mentioned this with Connor. I couldn't find the chart, so it wasn't in the normal lineup here. I had to go to like new window and find it there. So when we were doing the podcast, I thought we'd just continue on because I had looked at the Aussie Swiss a little while ago, early in the week. I don't know why. I must have closed it and it like deleted the chart or something. So, but that's the Aussie Swiss. This is like a watch list video right now, and thanks again for the nice comments about the 3-year Forex experience and what I've learned so far. And I did try and get all my results together, but I couldn't locate. The main one was really the one that I started with first, and that would have been a good little teaching tool. But I think I'm sure it's somewhere on this computer because I took a screenshot or downloaded the statement from Pepperstone. So if it does turn up, I might do one next week as well. So yeah, that's that'll be fun going through my first live trading account, the trades that I did, and none of them were really good. I mean, I made money. I started with 500, got up to like 720 in a couple months, and that was just following trade ideas, which is good. But obviously, I didn't really know what I was doing, and then they quickly capitulated to about 200. It was one good. Then I got down to 190. Then I'm like, I'm gonna sip this coffee. Every video nearly is me sipping coffee. That's just how it goes. So crazy life. But yeah, so I got down about 190, and then I stopped and reviewed, and I really, I sort of knew that it was coming as well because I didn't really know what I was doing. So I'll try and dig that up. But in the meantime, it's good on Sunday to go through the charts and see what's going on. But the Aussie Swiss definitely is interesting. We go to the daily as well. It's go to the weekly even. I like going on the weekly. At the end of the week, just seeing what it looks like. Wait for an update. Yeah, so that's pretty nice. That's similar to the Aussie yen actually as well with that candle. So it's still, pretty range bound, but it's below some recent support. Like, if we get this line in here, so plop some resistance up there or so. Again, it's a zone. It's not an exact science. And then what about here? How's this looking? It's a little 1, 2. No, I probably will. And then right down here as well. Just there's a bit of a pivot point there. So now back to. I like using the line charts to establish the zones because you can see the close. That's what each point represents is all linked together, obviously, to make the line chart. So visually, it's a bit easier to find the close points to really determine whether where the zones are. So it's just a bit easier to do instead of looking at the candles and sort of, because you want to see the close. I mean, it might just pierce through here a few times, but you really want to see the close of the candle. But again, not exact science. So we go to the 4-hour. So it sort of is approaching that zone. There's not much. I mean, that's through 30. So there's a few pips there. I mean, if we was it about 60 pips? So let's work that out. We'll quantify it. 60 pips. Yeah. So a little frustrating, but it's probably not really like a trade. Maybe a downtrends again to here, and then shoots down. That'd be a lot better because there's a lot more space through that 70, 90, 70, 69 down to 66. That'd be much better. So that's a potential trade idea for next week. Again, it's not perfect. There's nothing perfect really that I can see either. So that's about it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye for now. Again, more updates will come tomorrow. Probably about this time tomorrow as well. I'll update to see where things are at, and we'll go from there.